Now we are going to solve in text question 2.6. Question is H2S, a toxic gas with rotten egg-like smell, is used for qualitative analysis. If the solubility of H2S in water at STP is 0.195 m, calculate Henry's law constant. So here we are given solubility of H2S gas in water in molality, in terms of molality. तो अब ये जो स्मॉल m है ये यहाँ पे मोलैलिटी को इंडिकेट कर रहा है, तो हम इसको सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. Let us suppose the mass of solvent be 1 kilogram. In this case, molality equals number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. So molality is given 0.195 equal to number of moles that we have to find of H2S divided by mass of solvent, which we have assumed 1 kilogram. So from here we will get number of moles of H2S equal to 0.195. Now for Henry's law constant, using Henry's law, partial pressure of gas is equal to kH into X, where kH is Henry's law constant and X is mole fraction of the gas dissolved in the solution. So mole fraction of H2S we have to find out, that is number of moles of H2S divided by total number of moles, which will be 0.195 plus 1000 upon 18, which comes as 55.555. On solving this, the mole fraction of H2S will come as 3.497 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now we will be using the Henry's law. The pressure at STP is 1.01325 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal equal to kH, we have to find for H2S, into mole fraction, which is 3.497 into 10 to the power minus 3. So from here we will get kH equals 1.01325 into 10 to the power 5 upon 3.497 into 10 to the power minus 3. So KH we will get 2.897 into 10 to the power 7 Pascal. So for H2S, the value of KH is 2.897 into 10 to the power 7 Pascal. So that will be the answer to the question